followed you guys.
I don't give a fuck. I want my backpack. I will bolt.
I thought somebody tried to do it in that.
Oh, shit. Yeah. Oh, damn. I'm so scared.
You need the one with the hook on it.
This is really funny. They had it. They just needed a pole.
Pull.
Oh, damn. Oh, yeah. Oh. Fuck my life. Fuck your backpack. Oh, damn.
I'm not afraid that these birds are gonna crap on me.
Oh, yeah. Oh.
God,
That
that
dog is annoying.
Uh-huh.
It was like a little fucking dog and it's like,
Fonzie, focus.
sorry.
Birds flying over.
I know, I'm afraid they're gonna crap on me.
Fucking car. Yeah, I don't watch it just go down. Oh, damn.
YouTube.
Why does that
Yeah,
have to be
you
so
do.
damn heavy?
That guy's probably sitting that they're watching us.
Throw it like a spear.
My wrist is hurting.
No, because then it might fall on the car. And then we
If you throw it that way, it won't.
might, like, the wind might take